Okay, this is Mike with Rainy Day. Back at the construction site, we have a limited window of opportunity here, and couldn't help myself but bring that sniper coil out here, and I'm now digging this hole here, going real slow, and this looks like, oh yeah, this is in good shape too. Another military button. Yeah. Oh, it's magnificent. Yep, decided to go out at the last minute for a little swinging and digging. This is sweet. All right, let's keep swinging. I dig these buttons. All right, this is Mike. We're gonna try to do some live digs. I got a booming signal over here. It's a 25, 27. Inches deep right there. We're hoping, I gotta put this down. We're hoping maybe it's a button. I find a lot of cans. Oh, here's what it is. An LG cell phone battery. Whoop, whoop. That thing was screaming. All right. Can't be a military button every time. Hi, this is Mike with Rainy Day Treasure Hunters. Here we are at the construction site. I decided I just got a banging. I just dug a button. Thought I'd try a few live digs. This sucker is just humming, and the small buttons come up at this. So I am going to try putting this right there. Let's see if we can dig something up. Okay, what is this? No, it's just a booming signal, but just a piece of metal. There's a lot of that out here. All right, let's keep swinging. Hey, I went deep and got this can. It was a screaming signal, but right next to it was another screaming signal, and I flipped out this. Where is it? It is my second Eagle button. This is the little teeny one. This is fantastic. I love these little guys. They come in at a 24. The big ones come in at 29.30. So I'm digging everything 16 to 25 and looking for the 30s. Oh my goodness. I got two buttons. My buddy who didn't come today is gonna whoop my ass because I told him, nah, I won't go. But I decided, yeah, let's go find some buttons. This one The shank is bent, but man, you can still see it has fabric on it. That's just awesome. All right, let's keep working this little hillside right here. This little hillside, it's all loose dirt. So let's keep swinging, keep digging. All right, welcome back. Mike with Rainy Day Treasure Hunters for a little wrap up. We got the usual old rusty nails, old nails and metal pieces, the old pull top can. I had a very old Coca-Cola can that this lid came from. I must have dropped it out of my bag. Shotgun shell, a dad's maybe root beer cap. I dug up a Screamin' Fresh Mint toothpaste and a lithium LG battery. Got the 243 new flavor cap, pull tabs, and I'm not sure what this belonged to, but it was probably a cap to something, or the back of a pocket watch maybe. All right, for the finds of the day. I don't want to get my hands in the shadow, but I got a big button and a small button, and I am just astounded. I come back, slowed way down, I got the sniper coil on, and just rocked it. All right, this is a golden window of opportunity in this construction site. Another few months, the window will be closed. So I'm happy to have the privilege to get in here. From Rainy Day Treasure Hunters, keep swinging, keep digging.